I planted some lettuce here. This is a raised garden bed, so it's elevated and perfect for like vegetables that we usually eat raw, like lettuce, for salads. Also, since this is elevated, plants are like safer from bugs that usually attack like those that are planted on the ground, and usually cleaner too. If you are gardening and interested in getting this, I'll put the link down below. This also comes with like this, so you can divide this into like 8 if you want. It's also perfect for like strawberries, or like strawberries are usually eaten by critters, so this is a perfect spot for like strawberries, and also for herbs. So you can plant 8 herbs here, and then the rest of the lettuce I'm going to plant on the other raised garden beds. Right now there are sort of blank canvas. I need to remove the weeds first. Preparing this, and then I need to add new soil. I was hoping all the leaves have fallen before I start planting here, because like I don't want to keep on removing the leaves, but it's late already. It's mid-December and we really need to plant like the new plants. The gardener is coming tomorrow, so they're going to clean up the rest of those leaves. These are the typical weeds that grow here in Los Angeles. They're like common like weeds. I think that's like kind of weed, they grow everywhere. I've seen them in the Philippines too. This is a grapevine which I need to like prune before they start like sprouting, before springtime. The rest of the lettuces here. This is the soil that I am using, G&B Organics Harvest Spring. This here on top, like that. Both raised garden beds are now filled up. Lettuce is here, broccolini, and mustard here, mustard beans. And then I only have like one raised garden bed to plant probably like kale and maybe other leafy greens. I have 18 sugar snap peas, 6 on each pack. So this is a pack of 6, 18 total. I am planting the sugar snap peas here, this side. I planted the flowers here, the snow peas there, sugar snap peas on this side, and then some lettuces here, and then more lettuces here, and mustard and broccolini over there. Look at the fig tree again. Beautiful. I'm done planting. Time to harvest some silver mandarins. Smells good. The mandarins that I got from the grocery store, they are not as like good. Tastes kind of like bland. These Satsuma mandarins are very juicy. Here. This one. There's another one here. My Satsuma mandarin harvest. Look at this. Look at how pretty. Look at the fig tree from here. Beautiful. I'll add this here so they can start crawling upward. Putting this here so they can like crawl faster. And then once they are sturdy, they should be okay. It's just like when you start planting them, you need to like sort of guide them to crawl upward. And then for tomato cage, if I need to use this for tomato cage, I can remove this crawling space, the crawling like wire. And then just need to cut it here. See, now we can train this to go like this, so they have a crawling like space right away, so they don't like just like fall on the ground. Just like more of providing support for them right away. This one, when it's longer I can train it. And then here I need to do the same here. This here, and then here, and then here too.